Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host in CAD, Anindya Bannerjee. आज global equity sentiment is looking quite positive with Asian equity markets rising, dollar index a bit soft, Chinese currency slightly strong, not significantly क्योंकि वहाँ पे COVID lockdowns है तो उसका negative impact is happening on the Chinese yuan. Oil prices are down significantly, $7 over the past 24 hours. कल 117 था, अभी 110 के आसपास Brent is trading. So this combination is quite positive for the Indian rupee. Offshore market spot is showing a open around 75.96. Two things to consider here. एक है price action, दूसरा है OI का positioning. क्योंकि आज मार्च मंथली सीरीज का एक्सपायरी है और थर्सडे को the weekly options expire. Therefore, the open interest is going to play a big role. The max pain, which is basically the point or the zone where the options sellers would gain maximum, is between 75 and 76. Matlab, the option sellers would love to have the expiry in this range between 75 and 76 for both aaj ka and also on Thursday. And price action के हिसाब से 75 के आसपास एक major support है. If that breaks, the downtrend can accelerate. For uptrend to be in picture, it needs to take out 76.30 at least on the upside, and best if it takes out 76 half. But that is far away from the current price levels, and for that to happen, things have to escalate. Means oil has to get back above 120, etc. But as of now, 75 is under threat. In case it breaks down, then we can see a sharp drop because a lot of options have been sold in the 75 and 76 strike puts. So this is going to be a major support zone of 75. So how to now play it today? Intraday may at this point in time, we won't commit to a particular trade at the open. We would like to see because aaj expiry hai. But the inclination of the market to fall is going to be there because the last week of March tend to see a lot of selling from the corporates who are looking to hedge, convert and all those things. So iske liye ek natural selling pressure rehta hai. So, and plus considering where the oil prices are, the equity sentiment is, there's going to be a natural drift down. So, intraday may the only trade which we can find is in future. So, what you can do is that on spikes, you can look to sell. So, sell on rise would be the trade through futures with a stop above 76.20 on a daily closing basis. And in case 75 breaks, that looks like that is going to be a major support, as I said. But in case that breaks, the probability is low, but in case that breaks, then the next support comes around 75.40. But as of now, 75 ke aspas is going to be a major support zone. On the option trades, we will be intimating you during the day as to what kind of option strategies that can be done. Cross INR mein, the action is in yen INR because wahan pe there have been big moves over the past 2 weeks. Yen INR has fallen by 8 to 9% over the past few weeks. So iske karan yen INR mein kafi action hai. Yes, the instrument is very oversold, but intraday bounces can see a lot of selling. So again, these are counters where it is better to stick to intraday positions and not overnight because the gaps can be large on either directions on overnights. But in intraday mein kafi opportunities aa jate hain. So sell on rise will be our bias in yen INR, but we'll be intimating you as and when the opportunity presents itself. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.